Hi everyone, Varun this side from EagleOwl. In this video, I'll be showing you how to import sales data to EagleOwl. Let it be any POS that you're using in your outlet. Every POS will let you export your daily, weekly, or monthly sales data. So once you export the data into your system, you have to make sure that this is how you enter it into the EagleOwl software. I'll just show you a dummy export file. It will be showing you date, item name, quantity, subtotal, discount, net amount, GST, gross amount, round of etc. But for us, we just need date, item name, quantity, and then net amount. These are the four things which we require to be uploaded to EagleOwl, because this is the amount which will be hitting your bank account at the end of every month. So you have to go to select the outlet in which you want to upload the sales data. Go to sales, bills, import sales data, and then select the file. It will show you the entire Excel what you had exported earlier. Just select date, item, quantity, subtotal is not needed, discount is not needed, and then your total amount. These things are not needed. And then validate. Just make sure the date format is correct. Total 178 rows are there. Submit. So your sales data is uploaded successfully. You can check it by going here. 396 items sold. This was your total sales for that particular time frame. If you go to dashboard now, just filter it to last month because we ended it for the last month. To show you total sales and sales with recipe. If you see, total sales value and sales with recipe is different because these are the menu items which are not linked to any recipes. How to link it, I'll show you in the next video. Thank you.